Vectorworks and DIALux empower you to design code-compliant lighting solutions, access hundreds of manufacturer fixtures, perform advanced lighting analysis, and produce accurate documentation, streamlining coordination and BIM collaboration across your project. Start with your Vectorworks model set up to the appropriate level of detail for lighting analysis and ensure DIALux is installed on your Windows machine. DIALux is currently not developed for macOS. You'll be exchanging files in IFC format, which is the industry standard for interoperability. To prepare your model for IFC export, set only the objects you want to export visible in Vectorworks via class and layer visibilities. Creating a saved view is beneficial so you can recall this export view for future use if needed. Setting both the elevation and layer wall height accurately in the Edit Design Layers window will ensure that all objects in the model are correctly aligned vertically. Using standard Vectorworks plugin objects like walls, windows, and doors is beneficial since IFC data is already attached, eliminating manual mapping. You can verify this by selecting an object, for example, a wall, and checking the Data tab in the Object Info palette. Another tip for model preparation is to use space objects in Vectorworks, which will transfer over in the file exchange and will be used to help navigate in DIALux. To export from Vectorworks, go to File, Export IFC Project, and select IFC version 2x3 and Export Visible Objects Only under Export Options. You can also use an IFC model viewer, such as Celibri, to verify the content of the IFC export file. For more detailed information on the IFC file type in Vectorworks, visit the Vectorworks help page. To import the file into DIALux, open DIALux. A Pro subscription supports IFC import and export. Go to the Create New Project column and choose Import IFC. Choose your desired file and import. The Import wizard lets you selectively include building elements. This is a list of all objects that have imported into DIALux. You may exclude certain elements or stories for a streamlined analysis. There are two import methods to choose from. Use the recommended new method rather than the legacy method. Choose from DIALux's catalog of 400 plus manufacturer fixtures to simulate real-world lighting scenarios. Populate your model with actual products, run accurate distribution and surface level calculations, and visualize both artificial and daylighting results to refine your design. Find fixtures through the DIALux Luminaire Finder, featuring major lighting brands. Or import files like .uld, .ies, or .ldt directly from manufacturer websites, automatically adding them to your catalog for immediate use. Refer to DIALux's knowledge base for more specific information on how to design and simulate in the software. Use the Documentation tab in DIALux to generate reports such as fixture schedules, isolines, and value graphics in PDF format. To bring back data into your Vectorworks model, you can use DWG or IFC. To bring just the light fixture geometry and their exact locations into Vectorworks, export the geometry as an IFC file from DIALux and import it into Vectorworks, organizing with layers and classes. For analysis data like lighting calculations, export from DIALux as a DWG and import its 2D geometry into Vectorworks to support documentation, compliance, and permit submissions. By following these steps and best practices, you're equipped for seamless exchanges, analysis, and documentation. Create, simulate, and validate lighting with real data, all while maintaining interoperability across Vectorworks and DIALux.